Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to our third Arabic grammar class. Dear students and viewers, today we are going to discuss about the third part of the speech of Arabic language. This is called harfun. Har, ha, ra, fa. Harfun. Harf. Harf has much importance in Arabic language. Let us discuss the harf. What is called harf in Arabic? The particle harf, harfun, the particle, preposition and conjunction are called harf. It is that word which is used with noun or verb to complete the meaning of the sentence. Its meaning will depend on the word with which it is used. For example, ala. This is the harf and the meaning of ala is on. The meaning of ala is on. This word, the harf fi. The meaning of fi is in. The word or the harf an. Its meaning is regarding. Its meaning is regarding. Like that, the harf na'am. The meaning of this is yes. Like la. The meaning of la is no. The meaning of ma is that or what. So these are all words are called harf. If we describe this, if we explain this, we will say actually the harf is the particle. It is used as preposition or as conjunction. The particle which is used as preposition and conjunction in Arabic language is called harf. But the most important thing about the harf in Arabic language is that words are used with noun or verb. This is the condition. The harf is used with noun or verb, and the duty of the harf is to complete the meaning of the sentence. To complete the meaning of the sentence. Let me give one example. For example, these are the Arabic words. Ana. This is one word. The second one is al bayt. These are the words. And if we want to make a sentence with the help of those words, we will put one harf between those. We will put one harf between those. The system is going to hang. Let us wait. It is not responding. Sorry for trouble. So its meaning, but the meaning of the harf will depend. The harf is dependent on others. The meaning of the harf depends on other words with which the harf is used. For example, we used with verb, the meaning will be other, change. And if we use with noun, ism, the meaning will be changed. So the meaning of the harf depends on the word with which we are using the harf. There are so many kinds of harf in Arabic grammar. Let us revise the previous. Meaningful word. The kalima is called the meaningful word in Arabic language. The word which has meaning, it is called kalima in Arabic language, We have learned this in our first lesson. Then we divided the kalima into three parts: ism, fi'l, harf. Ism is called noun, fi'l is called verb, and the harf is called particle or preposition or conjunction. Each of the variety, each of the kind has much explanation and further details, but we will discuss the further details in our coming lessons. So yes, now we came here. Let me now I am going to make sentence with the help of word. Ana fil bait. Ana fil bayt. The meaning of this is I am in the home. I am in the home. You know, the meaning of ana is I. And the meaning of bayt is home. Ana fil bayt. I am in the home. And the meaning of harf fi in this sentence, this is ana, this is bayt, this is fi. The meaning of fi in this sentence is in. So we can say that the meaning of harf depends on the word by which we are using the harf. And the duty of the harf in Arabic language is to complete the meaning of noun or to complete the meaning of verb. And we can say this, that the harf is actually the joint between the noun and between the verb to make the sentences. But harf is not sufficient in the clarification of its meaning. It needs to verb, it needs to noun for the explanation or of the meaning of the harf. Harf needs verb, harf needs noun to explain the meaning of the harf. So this was our today lesson about the third part of the kalima. This is called harf, and we will explain in our coming lesson the vowels of the Arabic language. So if you did not subscribe to our channel still, you should subscribe, because you will learn many things of Arabic grammar with us in our classes.